Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive. I've got a Porsche Boxster 987 I'm working on, so we are removing the front bar out of this car so we can actually have a look at the wiring harness and other stuff. But while I'm there, the customer asked me to have a look at the actual fuel, some fuel smell. So if you look at the actual, look at the rubber seal, it's all cracked. If you look closely, it's all cracked there. So we can, there you go. So you can, it's not sealing properly. All right, now put it back. I have to get a new cap, new one from Porsche. And while I'm here, I took that pipe off to inspect the charcoal canister for any fuel inside there. No fuel inside there. Everything is good. So anyway, I already inspected it already. All right, let's come to this side here. Someone's been here before, I can tell. That little clip there is broken. That's broken off. That was supposed to be here on this part here, like that. That's just sitting around. Have a look at the bolt here. Someone's put a nut and a different bolt here, so that one's missing. So when I see this, I knew straight away someone's already been here before. Excuse me. Can't even find the wiring harness for the actual the light on the left hand side, missing as well, probably inside somewhere. Have a look here. Someone's done some work here as well. They run a wire from here to here, and I think I know why they done that, because the wiring harness, I don't even know what they put the wiring harness. It should be a wiring harness for the light, so there's no need to do that. And they didn't even actually insulate the actual wiring, the soldering stuff they're doing. It's really bad. Excuse me, you see there, and there's a F wire there, right there, so that can touch it and blow something up. Anyway, so I've got to fix that. I've got to fix a lot of stuff before I even take the bar. I mean, before I do my job. So yeah, so I've got to have a look at that first. So first thing I'm going to do is replace that seal and then fix the wiring harness. At the same time, we're going to remove the bar. Now the bar is ready to come off. I'm just showing you different screws. Some of the screws on the bottom were different as well. Not sure why they actually, how would you lose that, because you take it off and just put it in a container. But anyway, that's all done. Now we're going to remove the front bar and have a look properly. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.